Alright guys, I'm going to go straight to the point. Today, I'm making this video because I am tired of seeing people losing money with meme coins on Solana. I'm tired of seeing people getting rug pulled on pump and dump schemes, or getting sold Telegram groups that don't even work, rug bots, or things like this. I'm tired of seeing people getting scammed on a day-to-day basis on the Solana blockchain, okay? That's why today I want to give you a straight, easy, reliable method. A lot of people have been using these last couple of weeks to make a shit ton of money off meme coins, okay, as you can see on screen. And you know what? I'm going to tell you right now what the method is. The method is actually by launching and creating your own coin on the Dex, which is a decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain, and just running with it. And then after that, you can simply just remove the liquidity and take out all the money out of the coin, and you can get away with hundreds and even thousands of dollars on every coin drop. And you are not the only person who will be doing this, okay? If I go on Photon and I go on Memescope, okay, and I open any coin like this one, just look, it got rugged. This coin basically got rugged. Just a couple minutes ago, it got rugged. Like, everyone is doing this. If I go on another coin, this one right here, it got rugged. Every single coin is getting rugged, okay? And that's why you have to be making your own coins and removing the liquidity, and you have to stop trading them, okay? Now obviously this video is purely for educational purposes only, to show y'all how it works. So obviously if you are rich, do not copy me, and if you are poor and you need money, then you can simply just do it. So the first step into creating your coin is actually the launcher coin, and I found a really good website that I've been using for a couple weeks now that's called token.Fun. And it's reliable, it's fast, and there's no coding required, and you can make coins within seconds. So as you can see, you can put the token name, token symbol, and token image. So for example, if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, well, you could come here, make the coin super quick, right? And it would be launched on the Dex, which will get a much higher market cap, so way more money inside your pockets. And that's essentially one way to make money. And the second way is actually to come to the copy trending coins feature right here. And in the trending tokens feature right here, every single coin here is pumping and trending on Pump.Fun. So if I had to click this coin right here, just look at the chart. It's trending, it's shooting up. And actually what's ironic about this coin is that the dev behind this coin is actually making a shit ton of money, because as you can see here, every single dip is him selling, so he's making so much money off this coin. And yeah, now by duplicating these coins, okay, you are putting all the odds in your favor to make some money, because every single coin here has a good narrative and it's proven to get buyers. So you just have to duplicate a good coin right here and you are making bank, okay? So it's basically guaranteed and you have nothing to lose. So as you can see here, the benefits of launching your own coins on the launchtoken.Fun website is that, first of all, you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time, which is basically unlimited. And it's free money. Every single coin here is bound to make you money. And the third benefit is actually that you have free metadata on Dex Screener. So if you make any coin on launchtoken.Fun, well, you're basically saving yourself $300, which is absolutely broken. Now I'm gonna create a coin to prove that this shit actually works and that you can make a lot of money. So the billionaire-ification coin right here, I'm actually gonna create it and duplicate it. So I'm gonna create coin. After that, I'm gonna go inside the token, inside my Phantom wallet, my bad. And okay, a warning sign will pop up, but this is absolutely normal because it's just a simple warning, okay? So don't get worried about it. It is completely normal. And then just do proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. Okay, it popped up. Now click on copy token address and click on create liquidity pool, and then here it's already selected. Here your Solana balance is selected, and here you want to click on max to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity. And the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you will not lose this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose, like I said right here. So you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. You can just put 0.3 if you want, but I'll just put 0.5 to be safe. And make sure you have enough here, obviously, and then click on create pool, and then do confirm, then click on refresh. Now click on refresh right here, and then as you can see, you're already $4 in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and your coin is now live. Okay, what? It pumped hella. People are already buying in. Okay, it is pumping a lot. Okay, it's pumping. Let's go. Okay, it's going higher. Let's go. Okay, it's pumping. Come on, go higher. Pump. Okay, it's pumping. Let's go. Pump. Pump. Now, as you can see here in liquidity, there is $203. It is pumping while I'm talking. So this is my profit right here. So I'm just gonna wait for more buyers before I remove it. Okay, okay. Now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtoken.Fun. Okay, it's pumping. Come back here. Click on the minus button. 100% remove liquidity. Come on, come on. Now click on confirm. And boom, you just remove the liquidity, and that's how you make quick money. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, come on, $575 is inside my wallet. Okay, this is actually insane. At the beginning I had like 3 or 2.5 Solana, so I made around 2 Solana, I think. Yeah, 2 Solana, which is absolutely insane, bro. You can make so much money, bro. You have to use launchtoken.Fun at the moment. It's linked in the comments down below or in the description, okay? I do not gain anything from you clicking my link. It's just to make sure that you are not getting scammed by other sites, okay? This is the only site that works and that can make you money. You can make so much money. Join my Telegram group down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye. And happy profits. Good luck.